Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have a quick little project share for you guys. I just wanted to hop on here super fast in case you guys wanted to get this die. I know that Christmas is coming and this is a Christmas project, so in case you guys want to order this from Aliexpress, you kind of have to order it like ahead of time in order for it to get there for the holidays. So I just really wanted to share and get on here, and I'm just like also super excited about this because I love it and they turned out so cute. So let me tell you guys what this die is. So this die basically creates like a little Santa tag suit. So it's like the outfit of Santa, but it creates a tag. You also have this piece, which is like the belt that will go onto the suit afterwards right here. You could do this two ways. You could cut this out twice and wrap it around to hold like something in place inside. I didn't do it that way though. I'll have a link down below to somebody that did because I watched their video and that's how I found out about the die. But when I first saw it, I had a different plan for it. I wanted to put a tea bag inside of it. So that's what I did. But I will link the video down below where this person did like a little wrap around and it like slides on the Santa suit. That's Erica from Scrap Diva 29. So I'll have her video linked down below. But this is the little kind of belt thing. This is the belt buckle, and these are the little buttons. And I'm going to show you guys what I did. So I created 4 of these Santa tags. I have one in red, pink, green, and blue. So for these two, the pastel-y ones, I actually printed like Christmas pastel-y paper. I got that from my Etsy shop, so I'll have that link down below as well. But she was just selling digital paper, so I had printed it on like some cardstock. It's like some lighter weight cardstock. Then this stuff, I have some pattern paper. This glitter paper is from Hobby Lobby. It's like a pack of glitter paper that I had purchased like a while ago. I got so many of these packs and I just haven't used so much of the glitter paper. I thought I was going to, but it wasn't as heavy weight for the project that I had wanted it at the time. And for this project, it actually works out really great because this paper doesn't shed or anything. You could scratch it, whatever you want, and this glitter does not come off, which is great. So I love that about it. But let me show you guys what you guys can do with this, okay? So, for example, here is my pastel-y one with like a little bit of like a snowman. I could put a tea bag in here, which is the main reason that I wanted to create these. How cute is that? You could add like a little, you could add, what am I saying, like a little ribbon to this, hang it from a tree. You could hang it from a gift, give it as like a gift tag. But I personally would probably just hang this from a tree and call that a day, because I don't know, that's what I was thinking when I saw this die. Then I have this one. Again, this is some pastel-y paper that I had printed and just like cut down to size to fit in here. So what I did was measure the inside piece, this inside piece of the die, and this measures about 3 1/16 of an inch by 4 3/4 tall. So I just cut a rectangle to that size, and then I cut out just the middle piece of the die, and then I just stuck it on there. So this back side underneath is just white, but it's sturdy enough that I don't need another layer of paper, and you know what, it saves me some pattern paper. And I learned that with this because this originally I cut it out twice and I double layered it and I glued it together, but then I realized quickly that all I need is this middle piece. So then I only started cutting out like a little rectangle for that middle piece, and you know what, it saves paper. So this one I use like a little mirror board for the buckle, and it's super cute. That mirror board paper is from KS Craft Store, and I'll also have that link down below in case you guys want. And I also have these little buttons popped up on some foam, if you guys can see that. It's a little hard to tell. But it's 3mm thick foam, and that is from another Etsy store, so I'll also have that link down below. And then here's 2 more that I had made. This one is in green with a gold foiled buckle. I added this one with a little tag, so you could, obviously if you want to attach this to a gift or something, you're going to need like a little longer of a tag. I just wanted to add it on there quickly to show you guys. I'm thinking of actually just like, I don't know, possibly sticking these on a tree or gifting these to my kiddos at school, or maybe just the teachers. I haven't decided yet, but you could also add a like little little bell charms to this, and that would be really cute. I didn't do that because I just really wanted to hop on here and show you guys like the actual kind of Santa tag. So I have another one here, and this one, like, I mean, you could add in different stuff into here, especially because I glued the bottom shut, and this is not kind of like a, this belt is not a piece that goes all the way around like I've seen other people do, because that's how like the photo showed, and then you like open up these two flaps. But no, I glued mine together. So I have this little candy cane. You could literally just add this little candy cane into here and stick it onto something, and then that's a cute little gift as well. And then the last one I have to show for you guys, I added in a ribbon that you could hang from a Christmas tree to show you guys. It's just a piece of tulle. So you could hang this from a Christmas tree, and you could put in a little gift tag, or not a gift tag, a gift card. See, there you go. So aren't these like super cute, like so versatile? I want to show you guys the different ways that I thought of that I could use it, and the different stuff that I could put into it. And I think it just turned out super duper cute, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little project share video with this die set from Andy, the Andy store, or Andy's store. I'll have a link down below. And no, I'm not part of their design team. No, they did not send this to me for free. I just happened to see it on somebody else's channel, and I had like a different plan for this die, so I was like, you know what, I have to get it. So I did, and then I created like a whole bunch of these things. So I hope you guys get inspired. Any links that you may need will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!